Assalamu alaikum dosto, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to plot frequency polygon. So let's solve an example on it. The question is plot a frequency polygon based on following data. Here class intervals and frequencies are given. So first draw the table in vertical form and insert a column named midpoint. Midpoint. Here we have to find the midpoints of the given class intervals. To find that, the formula to calculate midpoint is lower class plus upper class divided by 2. So here our first class interval is 35 to 39. So our first midpoint will be 35 plus 39 divided by 2. That is 37. So our first midpoint is 37. Now calculate the next point, that is 30 plus 34 by 2. That is 64 by 2, that is 32. Now similarly you can calculate all the midpoints. 32 here, 27, 22, 17, 12 and 7. We have got our midpoints. Let's draw x and y axis. Now we have to plot midpoints on x-axis. Midpoints on x-axis. And on y-axis we have to plot frequencies. So let's plot these midpoints on x-axis. So our first midpoint is 7. So here 7, 12, 17, 7, 12, 17, 22, 22, 27, next 32 and 37. So these are our midpoints. Now plot the frequencies on y-axis. Here look at the frequencies. We can take the scale of 2 frequencies per centimeter. So therefore if this is our 2, 4, there must be equal distance between each of these 2 frequencies. 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. You can also take 1 frequency per centimeter. Okay, as per the space. Now we have to plot the points according to the midpoint and frequencies. For midpoint 7, the frequency is 2. So put a point here. For 12, the frequency is 5. So 5 will be between 6 and 4. So here for 17, frequency is 9. Mid of 8 and 10. For 22, frequency is 14. That is our highest frequency. And for 27, frequency is 13. That is mid of 12 and 14. Next 32. For 32, frequency is 8. So this is our 8. For 37, the frequency is 1. That's put the mid of 0 and 2. Now we have plotted all the points. Now join these points with the help of scale. As you know that we are drawing a frequency polygon. That means usually the polygon is a figure that has many sides and it is a closed figure. So here the polygon must be a closed figure. After joining each points, you have to include the smallest midpoint to join this last point with the x-axis. Here look at the difference between the midpoint. Here the difference is 5. So 7 minus 5, it will be 2. Now we can join this 2 with our last point. This is how you can close this figure. Now here what will be the next midpoint? It will be 42. Now you can join this point. So that's how our frequency polygon is. And you can also mention the scale here. Take other scale you can take. Okay, this is how we can draw a frequency polygon. Thanks for watching.